are doing really good. But I still think about you a lot. Call me sometime, okay? Anyways.
Tell him where you at, boy.
Do you know Do you know Opium?
Push up.
And I'm trying to make references to Basquiat's postcard series. For sure. Check these out.
What do you say? Opinion.
Interesting.
Interesting. What do you say?
Interesting.
Interesting. You like it? Well, there's some cool ones in there. You want to plug your Instagram?
Archive unlocked.
So you're eating good on your last day,
Yeah.
my friend. Very good.
Healthy guy.
Start healthy. That's important. Very important. So what you're getting? Explain.
Yo, you have to get a bit of everything, you know?
Bit of everything.
Yeah,
Okay,
you
okay.
gotta make it at some point colorful.
Oh, that's true. That's true.
Yes, sir. There is not falling asleep. You gotta go all the way in.
Explain.
Bro, let us explain, bro. You're fucking Brazilian.
It's a Brazilian vegetable and they fry it. So it's like, imagine like, I'm only thinking in Portuguese.
I don't know. Whoever watch that, you gotta tell us if
Potato.
it's true or
It's kind
not.
of like potato, but it's like a Brazilian vegetable called.
Oh shit, thank you, bro.
This is good.
How do you like it?
Amazing. Wonderful.
Bro, it's
do you
fuck-
like it?
I don't know. Let me try it, bro. Let me try it. Bro, it's a fucking potato. You gotta catch. If you didn't catch, you're gonna fuck the shit out of it.
Thanks.
No. He cannot drop that. He's not paying. Not a oh, let's go. Bro, what are you putting on your plate? Put for us first. You're under stress. Look,
He's working right now. No, it's not
Dennis cooking. Why I'm the smallest one?
Nigga, I said it, I know that you mad. I've emptied the clip over friendlier jabs. You mentioned my seed, now deal with his dad. I gotta go bad. Yeah, drop a 50 bag for the mob in a spot. Drop a 50
Oishi desu ka?
bag, 29 for the thought.
The black Jeremy fragrance.
One machine for each girl.
I was really trying to keep it PG.
Can we know where you get the shoes from? Where you get the shoes? I see some classic ones. Where you get the shoes from? Where you get the shoes from? Where you get the shoes from?
What color?
What color now? How much would you say? How much? Die.
30,000.
30,000. Oh shit. Guys. Let that we just started. Where you get the pants from?
I don't know.
How much?
15,000.
15,000. Oh shit. It's only thousands over here.
Okay,
Where you get the jacket from?
Zozo.
Zozo. I don't know what that brand, but how much is it?
15,000.
Let's go. 15. I don't know. We're going to 50,000 at some point now. How much t-shirt? I see some classic white t-shirt.
8,000.
8,000 just for the t-shirt. A white one. God damn. We're going like that.
I like the fit. I like the fit.
I see some sunglass on. Can you just open it? Oh, we got details over here. How much is it?
100?
100,000. Let's go.
Full fit is crazy.
God
That
damn.
is dripping tonight.
Shit.
Love the fit. I like it.
Just give me my money. Just give me my money. Just give me my money.
This guy is making money.
Neat.
How did you enjoy your last meal in Japan?
Amazing.
Amazing.
Sugoi.
Yeah, sugoi. Nice.
It was great.
That's what we love to hear. But it really was good. Like the meat quality,
Yeah, meat quality.
crazy.
Crazy.
Oh, you should do that. Yeah. Damn. That was good. Good.
It's a fucking potato.
We're in Shibuya, around the garden. Actually, I don't even know what the name is, but
Bro, I told you.
you know where it is.
Oh, this is valid. You know what does that mean?
Oh, this is Diptyque, oh?
The Diptyque, fancy perfume.
That's what all Japanese people wear. Not all, but a lot of them.
The meaning of fleur de peau is flower of skin. The meaning, the title in French.
It's kind of weird.
Yeah, but
It doesn't make
You have to be a little bit
it
extra.
doesn't make sense. But
Don't you think that it's more options here of fashions? Like more.
I think there is more option.
Uh-huh.
There is more people well dressed in general.
Oh yeah.
But in
Yes.
Paris, like if you took the best, they are better dressed than in Tokyo.
Oh. So the general over here are
General
more.
is higher, but like the
The
best,
best are going to be in Paris.
are going to be in Paris.
Who's the best?
I don't know them, but
There is some.
the Tokyo overall is better, like for sure.
But how do you rate the whole experience of living in Tokyo? How do you rate it out of 10?
Out of 10,
Give it a number. Yeah.
9.5.
Shit.
9.5.
What do you think is missing from it to make?
Maybe the cost of subway, bus, train is too high. Like if you take it every day, you can...
Metro, shut your whole ass up and make some drums, nigga. I'm the sixth guy, I'm the front runner. That nigga manager was Charles, little blunt runner. 26 and you boys ain't even come from it. And when you boys got it, bet you had a run from it.
Uno.
What Uno?
Uno that shit up.
I think you got yellow.
Yellow. I think you get yellow. Stop snitching with your French ass accent. Love Chinese bitches. Bro, delete that shit. Why I'm always recording, bro? Why I'm always on? I got caught on 4K. Any relationship is based on needs at some point. Love Chinese bitches. Need. I need to be satisfied.
But
For example, you're a friend of Sophia, or Sophia is a friend of you, but she likes enjoying time with you. That's the need of time. She needs to be entertained at some point.
he's getting something as well. He's getting something reciprocated.
That's basically need. Someone is satisfying each other needs.
It doesn't have to be anything like, you know what I'm saying? They're satisfying the time need, he's satisfying his time need, and then boom. That's the needs that are
If you start from there,
That's crazy.
I don't agree with what he's saying, but I understand where he's coming from.
Yeah, he has a good point.
He has a good point. I just don't
That's not
agree.
the case for
those
everybody.
those needs grow with the relationship. Most of the relationships start with the friend. Most of relationships start with the friend.
I see his point, but I just don't agree with it. You know what I
You're
mean?
not accepting because you have friends.
I'm
If you have no, trust me. If you're accepting my point, you have to accept that you have something for those. And you cannot believe that.
Before going
That's why you're not accepting my
the
point.
relationship I am today, I was friend with her, so...
Bro,
13, bro.
Yeah, I mean, but still.
see, there's a need that to be satisfied even when you're young.
That's how like our parents' generation or our grandparents generation.
The only needs, the only like thing that there is no needs in, is our relationship with God. I need God, but God doesn't need me.
Yeah, but that's nice. That's nice.
Don't hate me if I'm right.
Y'all know what it is. Lamborghini high. They move by the crib.
In the Middle East, they don't really care. They have the money for all of this, but what they care, they get this. In the Middle East, this is like a beast in the Middle East.
No, they care for this one here. Yeah. You need a loan number.
Oh,
You need the loan
See,
number.
you see, it's the number be more expensive than
Yeah,
the
the
whole
car.
fucking car.
Yeah. Where are the American cars?
They
Like, tell me.
down there somewhere.
Yeah, at the end, like.
Yeah, they coming up. They coming up.
I don't know. The new ones are bad. The new ones are bad. The BMW new ones are fucked up. Those are fucked up. On top.
You don't like them?
I mean, look. Oh shit, Maybach. You gotta do that for the Maybach.
Maybach
Maybach music.
Thank you, German, for hooking us with the good cars always.
You're welcome, my friend.
Yeah. I'm out here on the road.
Eat?
I did.
Sushi roll's way too full. So, just looking at the fish auction. What's it be?
None of that.
What?
I told my YouTube that what we supposed to be doing, and we ain't did nothing.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. We started and we went to the car meet. Yeah, Brazilian barbecue. Yeah.
Fish market, my boy.
We saw some cars. We saw some cars.
The video sounds like we're gonna see some exotic cars.
How we ended there?
Fish
Like
market.
fish market.
Fuck around and play Uno, saw some fish. The fuck? Yo, I'm gonna take the
Yo! He just said, how did I get that? Bro, he just want to see some action. He say, you be sending to the...
No English.
Got y'all.
You got us?
Coming out tomorrow
Tomorrow?
or Sunday.
What's coming out tomorrow?
My next vlog, my Disney vlog is coming out
Disney
tomorrow.
vlog?
That's
Yes,
why,
sir.
that's like 7 months ago.
Disney vlog.
It was
Last week.
Today,
I was there
today's
last week.
content is gonna be next year. Today's content is gonna be
Today's content is gonna be next week. I got y'all.
Fresh fish. Nobody talk about that. You just 1 million, 2, whatever, hand sign. So you gotta be very, very good at this one as quickly as possible. Otherwise, your competitor will snatch it.
This auction is about to start. Sold to the gentleman with the yellow hair. No English. What do you think about the trip? It's good. It's good. It's a nice trip. Nice trip.
next year, probably.
Yeah,
You gotta come. Like,
maybe by the end of the year, but minimum beginning of 2025.
you gotta come, bro.
Bye bye.
See you probably tomorrow.
See you tomorrow. What do you think about the trip?
It was a solid night. I'm gonna keep it
Solid.
great. Yeah, it was a good night.
We had everything.
With a lot of surprises.
Yeah, definitely. This shit was alright.
We planned to go to Yokohama, but we ended up somewhere completely different. Like we went to Edogawa, we went to Shimokitazawa, we went everywhere. Yeah, we went to different places. It was nice. We had a good time. There was a good call from Gabriel to go to the Brazilian all you can eat. It was very delicious. So I'm not sure if I told you about last time we were not able to go because the freaking thing got cancelled way too early, about 7 o'clock. Police shut everything down. This time, hopefully, we will be there on time.
Golden Week, though. It's gonna be packed as fuck.
I think it is very,
Gonna be a
very
lot of
tight.
cops. Yeah. Alright, throw your shit, there's cops, throw your shit, bro. Look at, he doesn't even know understanding. He's a Japanese, he doesn't understand what we mean by throw your shit. What do you mean? Like, what are we throwing exactly?
What are we throwing? Garbage.
Garbage? Look how
Correct,
you're cute, bro.
correct.
You're cute, bro. How cute is?
Wait, so like,
Will be sending me
turn
some
up the music a little bit.
getting pressured. Look at
What's
those,
happening?
those 4K cameras are on, not gonna lie.
Dude.
No, so you're saying the cigarettes are haram.
Yes.
What are those intercourse that you be taking with those Chinese girls?
So you into Chinese girls?
Huh?
So, we made it.
Huh?
Made it to the car.
Second try. Second try. Second try, we made it.
I see dead people. Mother on that beat, oh.
Hey, monster on the beat, ho, Debo, any rap nigga, he a freak throw, man down, call her Amber Lambs, tell him breathe, bro, nail a nigga to the cross, he walk around like Tizo. What's up with these jabroni ass niggas trying to see Compton? The industry can hate me, fuck them all and they mama, how many ops you really?
You're saying this one is the first Fast and Furious, the one that got right?
Yeah?
I don't know.
I don't know.
That's the same one.
Wait.
The one that came in Fast and Furious, the first one.
feeling this one is the Fast and Furious whip.
I mean, there's too many options. I'm finna pass on this body, I'm John Stockton.
This is Tokyo, baby. You didn't see Tokyo yet. This is Tokyo, my dude. I'm sorry for you.
Sometimes you gotta pop out and show niggas. Certified boogeyman, I'm the one that up to score with him. Walk him down whole time, I know he got some hoe in him. Pole on him, extort shit, bully the flow on him. Say Drake.
If you want to come here, let me give you a tip. Come early. Now it's 8 something and could be that he probably shuts this down in like 10 minutes, 20 minutes, 1 hour. You never know.
I hear you like I'm young. You better not ever go to cell block 1. To any bitch that talk to him and they in love, just make sure you hide your little sister from them. They tell me chill, you put your hand boys, certified pedophiles. That fuck 'em up.
Ja. Besser? Was heißt das?
Also das war jetzt schon geil, aber das andere davor.
1 bis 10?
10 von 10.
10 von 10?
Ja, auf jeden Fall.
Würde ich den Leuten empfehlen, hier hinzukommen?
Absolut.
Ja?
Immer Japan, immer Tokio.
Actually, we're in Yokohama.
That's Tokyo, baby. The thing is, people outside they don't know Tokyo.
Voll!
They not like us.
Beide Straßen.
They not like us. They not like us. They not like us. They not like us.